Hey YouTube, hey, hope everybody's doing well out there. Hey, I needed to buy a surface cleaner for my Bauer 2,000 pound PSI pressure washer, and so I picked one up on Amazon, and there's a whole lot there to choose from. So I'm just sharing with you the one that I bought. I can't say better or worse than anything else. All I'm doing here is showing you what I actually purchased, so you have basically a frame of reference, I guess, for this particular product. And let me think. It came out of the box fully assembled. It was a nice quality stainless steel. Has some good casters. It came with two extension wands that have the quick connect on, the 1/4-inch quick connect. So you're just going to add them to your the one that comes with your pressure washer, just to give you the length you need to run the surface washer on the ground. It came with a bag of hardware that included some extra nozzles for the surface cleaner, but it also had pressure washer tips for your gun or your wand. I'm not quite sure why it included those, but it did. A few extra O-rings, and it had a cleaner for your nozzles as well, in case you get clogs. And if I didn't say, it's fully assembled. All the casters are on. I mean, it's just fully assembled. I was impressed with the quality. Much better than I expected. It had ball bearings on it. The wand underneath, the spinny thing, was mounted on a ball bearing, and the casters were ball bearing. It actually looked like really nice quality. It was a good stiff brush on the bottom, and they were just easy peasy, nothing to it. It just everything just popped together and it was ready to go. So on the Bauer, it worked just fine. It did a good job of cleaning. I can't complain a bit. Now the Bauer's only 1.2 gallons per minute. So obviously there isn't a lot of water flow going through it, but it did loosen the dirt. It did just fine with that, and we come back later with a pressure washer and just kind of sweep the loose dirt off. You come back while the surface is still wet, and it just sweep the dirt off, and it worked fine. Here in this video you can see the dirt is running downhill, but on a flat surface just come back and run the wand over it, and the dirt just blows away. And then I also went ahead and tried it on a little bigger gas pressure washer. So the other one, the gas pressure washer, is I think I've got it set at 2,800 pounds, and it's a 3 gallon a minute. And this surface cleaner worked just fine on that pressure washer as well. It did a very good job. I can't say it's any cleaner. It's just the 2,000 pound did just fine. But it functioned properly. It did a good job on the little bigger. Now I also tried it on my biggest pressure washer, which is going to be right around 4,000 pounds and 4 gallons a minute, and that was overkill. This thing wanted to hover in the air rather than stay down on the surface. So the 4,000 pounds is just a little too much. 4,000 pounds PSI is too much. If you want to hang on after the wrap-up clip, there's a few more minutes of the surface cleaner in action, and it's running on the Bauer 2,000 pound PSI pressure washer. So YouTube, I hope this is good information for you. I hope you'll like and subscribe, and make sure to check the description for any links that might be helpful. And also watch out for our other videos. There may be some good information there for you too. Thanks guys, I appreciate it. Have a great day.